Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel. I am happy. I feel very happy today. I am sad. I feel a little sad right now. I like milk. I enjoy drinking milk every day. I am tired. I feel extremely tired in the school. I like apples. Apples are my favorite fruit. I am hungry. I am very hungry right now. I am thirsty. I need some water because I'm thirsty. I go to school. I go to school every morning. I eat food. I eat healthy food every day. I sleep early. I usually go to bed early at night. I play games. I play games after finishing homework. I wake up. I wake up early in the morning. I like toys. I love playing with my toys. I watch TV. I watch TV in my free time. I read books. I enjoy reading storybooks. I run fast. I can run very fast. I walk slowly. I walk slowly when I am tired. I am cold. I feel cold today. I drink water. I drink plenty of water daily. I am hot. The weather is very hot today. This is my mother. This is my loving mother. This is my father. This is my hardworking father. I love my family. I deeply love my family. I have a brother. I have a younger brother. I have a sister. I have an elder sister. My mom cooks. My mom cooks delicious food. My dad works. My dad works in an office. I help my mom. I help my mom at home. I respect elders. I always respect my elders. He is my friend. He is my best friend. She is kind. She is very kind and helpful. He is tall. He is taller than me. She is smart. She is very intelligent. I miss you. I really miss you a lot. I study English. I study English every day. I like my teacher. I really like my teacher. He teaches me. He teaches me English. She helps me. She always helps me. I know him. I know him very well. I trust you. I trust you completely. We are friends. We are good friends. I write words. I write new words daily. I read aloud. I read aloud in class. I ask questions. I ask questions in class. I answer questions. I answer questions confidently. I do homework. I complete my homework on time. I like school. I enjoy going to school. I learn fast. I learn new things quickly. I listen carefully. I listen carefully to my teacher. I follow rules. I always follow school rules. I sit quietly. I sit quietly in class. I stand in line. I stand in line patiently. I open my book. I open my English book. I close the door. I gently close the door. I raise my hand. I raise my hand to answer. I draw pictures. I draw beautiful pictures. I learn numbers. I learn numbers and letters. color neatly. I color my work neatly. I improve skill. I improve my speaking skills. I brush teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a bath. I take a bath in the morning. I wear shoes. I wear clean shoes. I wash hands. I wash my hands before eating. I clean room. I clean my room daily. I eat breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast. I play football. I play football with friends. I help others. I help others happily. I ride a bike. I ride my bike carefully. I share toys. I share my toys with friends. I smile often. I smile every day. I speak politely. I speak politely to everyone. I stay calm. I try to stay calm. I feel proud. I feel proud of myself. I feel sick. I feel sick today. I feel better. I feel much better now. I feel safe. I feel safe at home. I think hard. I think very carefully. I need rest. I need some rest. I feel ready. I feel ready to learn. Come here. Please come here. Stand up. Please stand up. Sit down. Please sit down. Open it. Please open it. Close it. Please close it. Show me. Please show me. Explain this. Please explain this to me. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.